the mob, according to the complaint, then sexually assaulted two women aged 21 and 19 who were paraded naked. The assault was reported by the victims in May when the state witnessed intense ethnic clashes. The fighting was triggered by a court order that the government should consider extending special benefits enjoyed by the tribal Kuki people to the majority Meitei population as well. At least 125 people have been killed and more than 40,000 have fled their homes since the violence erupted. Protests were planned in several parts of India by rights groups demanding justice and swift investigations into the latest incident to raise questions about the safety of women in the country. We want to know why police failed to take swift action when they knew that women were raped and paraded naked in Manipur, said Radhika Burman, a student in eastern city of Kolkata who is led a public demonstration on Thursday. Hundreds of demonstrators in the southern city of Bangalore marched, with some banners saying, "Women's body is not a battlefield." Thai also questioned the failure of authorities to investigate the case registered by two victims belonging to the minority tribal community in May. "This is gross injustice and neglect," said H. J. Lakshmi of Samkalina Samajik Sanskritik Vedike, a civil society organization in Bangalore.